Hi guys! Alright, we're going to do our Friday reading lesson, so get out your reading workbooks and we will get started. Alright, you got your reading workbooks out and you're going to open it up to page 3. Should see a 3 in the bottom and it should say Max takes the train at the top. Okay, you can tear this page out and then behind it is our story, Jen and Will, so you can tear that out too. I'm going to do both of those today. Alright, so first thing we got to do is put our name at the top. Just make sure you put your name at the top. And then if you look in the middle of our page, there are 2 letters. Can you say those letters to yourself? The first one is a J. It makes the J sound. And the second one is a W. It makes the W sound. Now what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to name each picture. And if the word begins with the J sound, you're going to write a J by it. If it begins with the W sound, you're going to put a W by it. All right, so the first one is a worm. Worm. Which one makes the W sound? Let's write W does. So you're going to write W, upper and lowercase. Then the next one is a jet. J-et. That's right. The J makes the J sound. So you're going to write an uppercase J. Put your hat on top and the lowercase J. Make sure your lowercase J goes underneath that line like mine does. Next picture is a Jeep. J-eep. J again. Good. Number 4. That is a watch. W-otch. Which one makes the W sound? That's right, W does. Write a W on the line. Next one is a wagon. W-wagon. Yep, W again. The last picture is jam. J-am. J. Good. Okay, then you can flip your paper to the back. And we have 4 words up at the top. Okay, the first word says yellow. Put a circle around the word yellow. Second one is blue. Put a box around the word blue. Next one is green. Draw a line under the word green. And the last word is one of our sight words, so we should know it. Yep, that says have. We're going to leave that one by itself. All right, first sentence. Put your finger under the word the. It says, the pond is blank. So think in your head right now, what color are ponds usually? Ponds are usually blue. Sometimes they might be green. So which word do you think would fit in here? Yellow, blue, green, or have? The pond is which one? I'm going to put the word blue. Blue. If you decide that you want your pond to be green, then you can write the word green. Good. And I'm going to cross out this word because I used it. Down here, a finger under the word my. It says, my top is what? What color top do you think she's wearing? My top is yellow. That could work. My top is blue. If you decide that you want your pond to be green, then you can write the word green. Good. And I'm going to cross out this word because I used it. Down here, a finger under the word my. It says, my top is what? What color top do you think she's wearing? My top is yellow. That could work. My top is blue. That could work. My top is green. That could work too. How about my top is have? Nope, I don't think that's quite right. I'm going to write the word green. You can choose each or any of the colors that you want. Yellow, blue, or green. Okay, now we're going to go up here. Finger under the word, and I'm going to cross out green because I used it. Finger under the word is. Is the sun blank? When it's a question. So let's try the word yellow. Is the sun yellow? That makes sense. How about let's try the word have? We haven't used that yet. Is the sun have? Nope, I think yellow fits there, so I'm going to write yellow. Good, and the last sentence, finger under the word I. I blank a cat. Oops, I forgot to cross out yellow. The only word I have left to use is have. So I'm going to put that word in here. I have a cat. Sounds right to me. So I'm going to write H-A-V-E. I'm going to cross out have because I used it. Good. Now remember I said you could use any color for the first two, or any color for this one. My top could be yellow, blue, or green. The pond is either blue or green, and we know that the sun is yellow. Okay? All right, make sure your name is on one of the sides. You can put this back in your packet to turn in on Monday, and then you can find the book Jen and Will. Okay, now I've got my book torn out. I folded it and I put my name at the top. So you can pause the video right here and make sure you get those things done before we start reading. Okay? Okay, and then before we read our book, we are looking at two letters, J and W, and we're looking at the sounds that those letters make. So we know that J makes the J sound and W makes the W sound. Now before we read, I want you to go through on our book and find all of the words that start with J, and all of the words that start with W, and I want you to circle them. J and what? Go ahead and pause the video right here, and then you can circle all of the words that start with J or W. Okay, if you've unpaused the video, that means you are ready to read because you have all of your J and W words circled. So finger under the word Jen, the title, Jen and Will. Good, so we're on the first sentence, page 1. Jen and Will get on the jet. It is a big blue jet. Now we're on page 2. Jen and Will have jobs on the jet. Jen and Will like the job. Now we're on page 3. Jen and Will get the jet to go. They can see you. Now we're on page 4. You can get on the big blue jet. You can go with Jen and Will. Awesome. Now we're going to go through and we're going to count all of our J and W words to make sure we all got all of them. Okay, so we have 2 in the title. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you should have found 20 words. So I want you to use your pencil and you're going to write the word or the number 20 and circle it so that I know that you went through and counted your words too. Then you get to color the pictures realistically, okay? Remember, they're on a big blue jet, so the jet should be blue, right? All right, and then once you're done coloring that, then this can go in your packet to come back to me on Monday. Good job, guys.